Okay. Fine. In the last class we have started Biot-Savart's law. So we will see the applications of Biot-Savart's law. B due to a long wire, B due to a straight wire, I have a straight wire, I need to calculate magnetic field due to this straight wire which carries a current I. Okay. Let us see here. The situation as follows: I have a long wire which is carrying a current I, and there is a point P. At this particular point I need to determine the magnetic field. Let us say this is at a distance of D. Okay, fine. So you can think of like this: this is a lowest end which makes an angle theta1 here, this is the toppest end. So this is the current direction which makes an angle theta2 here. Theta1 and theta2 are the angle made by ends at a particular point P. Now I need to get an expression for magnetic field at that particular point. So what is there in our hand? In our hand it is there. B due to a small element. Cheppe formula emochindi mu naught I by 4 pi dl cross r cap by r cube. Okay. So this can be written as, so dB is equal to mu I divided by 4 pi dl sin theta by ikkada r square ena idi r square. This is the formula. So this is in vector form. It will give the both magnitude as well as direction. Now at this particular point you require, what is the current direction? Upward. What is the r vector? In this direction. So you curl your fingers, I cross r, field will be into. So here the field will be like this. Then what about here? What about here? So you take at this particular point. So this is the r vector, this is the I vector. Curl your fingers from I cross r, it will be towards you. The magnetic field here it is towards you. So I cross r, that is enough. Now let us see how to solve this problem. So what I will do here, I will take a small element. So let us take a small element. This is the point P we need to calculate. I am taking a small element at a distance of y, along y axis kabatti y anukunnam. Along y I am taking a small element dy. So this is I dy. So which makes an angle, let us say this is the theta I am taking, which makes an angle theta at the observation point, and this is the distance r, that is can be written as square root of y square plus d square. Okay. So at a distance y, maybe you can take this as the reference origin, y equal to 0. I am taking a small element dy which carries the current in the upward direction, and this will be the r vector, observation point ni indicate చేసేటువంటి పొజిషన్ వెక్టర్ అది. So the magnetic field at that particular point is given by dB is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi into, so dy sin theta divided by r square, that is equal to y square plus d square. Now we convert everything in terms of either y or otherwise theta. Better we convert everything in terms of theta. So our aim, our goal is here, convert everything in terms of theta. So convert everything in terms of theta. Convert everything in terms of theta. Convert everything in terms of theta. So everything theta terms like మనం కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం. సో ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం చూడండి. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు కనుక క్లియర్గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే దిస్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ 90. సో దిస్ ఎంటైర్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ 180. So this angle will become 180 minus theta 2, 180 degrees minus theta 2. But what is the sum of angles in a triangle? 180 degrees. So this is already 90. So this must be, so theta 2 minus 90. Check it. So 90, 90 cancel. Theta 2 cancel. Only 180 remains. Okay. That means the same thing. This angle will become here. What is this angle will become? Theta minus 90 degrees. Theta minus 90 degrees. Now we can apply for tan or anything. Tan I will apply. So if I apply for tan, so tan of theta minus 90 degrees, that is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is y and adjacent side is d. So what is tan theta minus 90? You can apply sin theta by cos theta. Sin, so theta minus 90 divided by cos theta minus 90 by y. Okay. Theta minus 90. So find the minus cos theta. Kinda. Sin theta. It is sin theta is equal to y by d. Cos theta by sin theta minus cot theta. So then y will become minus d into cot theta. Now you do the differentiation of it. So differentiation of cot theta minus cosec square theta. Differentiation will be. So dy will be is equal to d into cosec square theta d theta. So this is the we required. So y is equal to minus d cot theta, dy is equal to d into cosec square theta. Now we will convert everything in terms of, so db is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi dy, that is d cosec square theta d theta. So d cosec square theta d theta into sin theta divided by y square plus d square. This is y square. So that is d square cot square theta plus d square. Then what about 1 plus cot square theta? Cosec square theta. So from here, so db will be is equal to, I will take the d square outside. So mu naught I by 4 pi. So d into cosec square into sin theta into d theta divided by d square outside cot square theta plus 1, that is cosec square theta. So cosec square theta cancel, dd cancel. So I have remaining is, so mu naught I by 4 pi d only sin theta with respect to theta. Now converted everything in terms of theta. Integrate from the starting angle theta 1 and ending angle theta 2. So integrate with the limits. So I will get the b. So b will be is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi d when I integrate sin theta from theta 1 to theta 2. So sin theta integration is minus cos theta. The sin theta integration is minus cos theta. So that means b is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi d. So minus cos theta, lower limit is theta 1 and upper limit is theta 2. Upper limit and lower limit if I substitute, minus by d by cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. Malla lopal iskoste cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. So b is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. This is the formula we must remember. Okay. D, I forgot to put the D. This is the magnetic field. Okay. Now the same thing let us represent in terms of this angles. Let's say this is the same wire carrying a current I need to calculate field at a point which is at a distance D. Let us take this angle is some alpha, this angle is some beta, this angle is beta. So that means in place of theta 1 alpha is there, in place of 180 minus theta 2 beta is there. So in place of theta 1 alpha is there, and in place of beta, that is 180 minus theta, beta is 180 degrees minus theta 2 antena. So from here theta 2 emotion advaipu potunda. So theta 2 is equal to 180 minus beta. So theta 1 alpha will come minus cos of 180 minus theta, that is minus will come. So cos of theta 1 that is equal to cos of alpha, cos of theta 2 that is cos of 180 minus beta is equal to cos beta, sorry, minus cos beta, minus cos beta. When I substitute here, in place of cos theta 2 minus cos beta, in place of cos 2 and cos alpha, then B will be mu naught I by 4 pi d cos alpha plus cos beta. So if you are knowing interior angle, this alpha and this beta like this, cos alpha, if this angle is known, theta 2 is this, then it will be cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Even you can convert into this angles also. Appudu emotundi, that angle will be alpha place lo, suppose ఇది lambda, ఇది delta అనుకుందాం అనుకో, 90s minus will come, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta will come, that also I will write. Okay, so entire derivation is not required, you just note down that only formula part. So you need to remember only that formula part. Okay, so I will write that formula part only, so entire the things are not required. Okay, yeah. When this is the scenario, the formula for magnetic field at that particular point is B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi d into cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. When this is the scenario, so current I, this is the D, alpha, then this is beta, then B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi d cos alpha plus cos beta. So when we required like this, the same current carrying wire, the same point, so we require field. Let us say this angle is some lambda, this angle is some delta, distance is d, then this is 90, alpha plus lambda will become again 90. So from there alpha is equal to 90 minus lambda, so 90 minus lambda, so cos of 90 minus lambda, sin lambda, cos of 90 minus theta, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B plus sin A sin B, so it will come as sin. So answer will be B is equal to, so mu naught I by 4 pi d into sin lambda plus sin delta. So మీకు ఇచ్చినటువంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ బట్టి either you can use this expression, either you can use this expression, either you can use this expression depending upon the given configuration. మీరు ఇదైతే ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలుగుతున్నారో దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని ఇది మనం ఫార్ములాస్. సో ఓన్లీ నోట్ డౌన్ దిస్ బికాస్ అప్లికేషన్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దీన్ని అప్లై చేసేటువంటిది మనకు రాగలగాలి. వీ నీడ్ టు కామెంట్ ఫస్ట్ ద డైరెక్షన్ అయితే ఐ క్రాస్ ఆర్ ద్వారా డైరెక్ట్గా కామెంట్ చేసేయచ్చు. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ద ఫార్ములాలో అప్లై చేయడం రావాలి. ఓకే, నోట్ డౌన్. This is the B due to a straight wire information. I will give more information. ఇది నోట్ చేసుకో, ఐ విల్ గివ్ మోర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్.